Remove 7 retaining screws. Lift the top cover from the system. Remove 2 retaining screws. Lift the cable from the system and remove it. Using a nut driver, remove 4 screws from the COM3 and COM4 connectors. Remove 3 retaining screws. Remove the front cover from the chassis. Disconnect the SATA cable from the storage drive. Remove 2 screws. Slide the bracket toward the front of the system and remove it. Remove 4 retaining screws. Lift the bracket from the drive. Using a nut driver, remove 4 screws from the COM3 and COM4 connectors. Remove the connectors from the front cover, disconnect the cables, and remove them. Disconnect the cable from the COM-DIO and RS422 card. Remove 2 retaining screws. Lift the card from the chassis. Disconnect the COM3 and COM4 cables from the card. Using a nut driver, remove 2 retaining screws. Remove the riser card screw from the side of the system. Lift the riser card and COM-DIO card from the system. Remove 2 screws. Lift the bracket from the chassis. Open the retaining latch and remove the cable from the system. Disconnect the cables from the system board. Remove 2 retaining screws. Lift the bracket and cables from the system. Loosen 3 captive screws. Lift the heatsink from the system. Loosen 2 captive screws. Lift the heatsink from the system. Disconnect the cable from the system board. Disconnect the cable from the DC board and remove it. Remove the retaining screw. Carefully lift the board from the system. Remove the screw from the bracket. Lift the bracket from the card. Disconnect the antenna cables. Pull the card from the slot. Remove 6 screws. Lift the system board and remove it from the chassis. Pull up on the tab to release the drive. Lift the drive and remove it from the socket. Pull outward on the tabs to release the memory module. Remove the module from the slot. Repeat for additional modules if necessary. When all other screws are removed, you are left with the base cover assembly.